Hello everyone, and welcome to Autopedia channel. In today's video, we're diving into the harsh realities of car crashes through real-life scenarios and crash tests. We'll explore the devastating consequences of running a red light, the critical role that vehicle size plays in collisions, and the life-threatening risks of not wearing a seatbelt in the back seat. First, let's examine a real-life crash scenario involving a 2010 Ford F-150 and a 2007 Chrysler Sebring. In this incident, the Ford F-150 ran a red light at 48 miles per hour, colliding with the Chrysler Sebring. The impact was catastrophic. The larger, heavier F-150 delivered a crushing blow to the smaller Sebring, resulting in severe injuries to the Sebring's driver, including a concussion, fractured pelvis, and multiple broken ribs. This tragic outcome highlights just how dangerous running a red light can be, especially at high speeds. It also underscores the significant impact that a vehicle's size and speed can have on the severity of a crash. Next, we'll explore the importance of vehicle size in a frontal collision. In this controlled crash test, we have a mid-size car crashing head-on into a smaller vehicle. The results are stark. The smaller car crumples under the force of the impact, while the larger, heavier mid-size car offers better protection to its occupant. This test clearly shows that vehicle size and weight are critical factors in determining the outcome of a crash. While smaller cars may be more fuel efficient and easier to maneuver, they often lack the structural integrity needed to withstand a serious impact, leading to more severe injuries for those inside. Finally, let's take a look at the consequences of not wearing a seatbelt in the rear seat. In this scenario, we have a belted driver and an unbelted rear seat passenger involved in a frontal crash. During the impact, the unbelted rear passenger is thrown forward with tremendous force, slamming into the back of the driver's seat. Despite being belted, the driver is severely injured due to the unrestrained passenger crashing into them. This scenario demonstrates a simple yet crucial fact. Seatbelts save lives, and they must be worn by everyone in the vehicle, regardless of where they are seated. An unbelted passenger doesn't just put their own life at risk, they endanger everyone in the car. These crash tests and real-life scenarios highlight the importance of safe driving practice. Whether it's the dangers of running a red light, the impact of vehicle size in a crash, or the critical importance of wearing a seatbelt, each scenario reminds us safety should always come first on the road. So stay safe, stay aware, and always buckle up. Because on the road, every life matters. You found this video informative? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-saving information and crash test insights. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.